Hi, and we are looking at another O-level question here in this video. That also talks about area of sector of circle. And so let's read the question. It says area of sector of circle. Okay, it gives me the area. And then it says, oh, the radius of the circle is now 7 cm. Okay, that's all fine to know. And it's saying find the angle subtended by the arc at the center of the circle. And if that's a bit confusing, let's try to draw it. I think it'll be clearer. We have an area of a sector of a circle. So let's just start with a sector. I don't really know how big the area is, but it's okay. Let's start with a circle. If you're not sure what a sector of a circle is, please watch the previous video in this series. And so now we have this area of a sector of a circle, and we say the radius of the circle is 7 cm. Sure, let's write that down. And now it says find the angle subtended by the arc. What is the arc? This is the arc. Remember, we can also call this the arc length, right? The length of that arc. So this is the arc, right? And it's saying, can we find this angle? Let's call it theta. Put a question mark. Subtended by the arc at the center of the circle. So that's why it's just this angle that we are familiar with. And this angle is at the center of the circle over here. That's why it says at the center of the circle. And then the key formula that we remember for area of a sector is simply that the area of a sector of a circle is given by half theta r squared, where theta is in radians. So that's all we have. Right, that's what we have. And so let's just plug it in, what we know. So the area now is 23.4. And we say that this is equal to half, well, my theta, I don't really know what the theta is because it says find the angle. So I don't know the angle. Leave it as theta. What is r? 7 cm. So let's just say this is 7 squared. Great. We only have one unknown. We can find theta. So let's just solve it. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And so what I get is 46.8 is theta. And 7 squared is simply 49. And so I can say theta equals to 46.8 divided by 49. And that gives me 0.95510. I usually use put my answer in 5SF first, and then I round it off to 3SF. And I'll say this is not just any unit, this unit is radians. Yep. And so the question didn't ask me to express it in degrees. So actually this is my final answer. This is fine. If you wanted to convert to degrees, then you can, but I don't think it's necessary here.